is all I need to make me happy.
Jefferson? You in there, buddy? What happened to you? You used to be a man.
I am a man.
Who's your favorite stooge?
The Three Stooges are not funny. Do you know who I think is funny? That Elaine Boozler. Ha ha ha!
It's a lot worse than I thought. Luckily, I have something for such an emergency. Jefferson, I want you to get a load of these big uns here.
Oh, it's all coming back to me. Mo is my favorite stooge.
Those bastards, they almost got you.
Hey, who's the broad in the kitchen?
That's your wife?
How the hell did that happen?
Let's go, Jefferson. It's almost time for my nooner.
Take 2 of these, call me in the morning. I'll make it 4.
Gee, Al, they seem so much in love. Maybe this Dr. Richelieu could make our marriage happier.
Oh no, Peg, the only doctor who could do that is Kevorkian. You hook up the harness and I'll Crisco the doors. We'll pop that little woman right on out of here. Wait a minute, Al. I'm not here to pick up Mama. I'm taking a trip around the world with my travel agent. Yeah. Wait till you see this. Hey, Pancake! Get your flapjacks in here, darling. I tell you, Al, huh? Part-time travel agent, part-time stripper, and full-time love machine.
Daddy, I can't believe you could do this.
Oh, I could.
You are a married man.
Married? You told me you were a college student taking a year off before law school.
Oh, I gotta get me another travel agent.
No, you don't. You are going to go up there and reconcile with Mom.
No, that's not gonna work, Mark. We just can't communicate anymore. Maybe that's because you don't have a creamy nougat center.
Yeah, I know. What if we take you and Mom to this Dr. Richelieu's marriage retreat?
No, I don't believe in them fancy schmancy head shrinkers. It's got a water slide. It does. Whoa! On there, dude!
See you wearing your easy access dress.
I almost just hit a guy on the highway, like he's in the slow lane, just flagging down a trucker or something. Like he's just in the middle of the road.
I am a man.